Welcome to the video on how to pack and process your orders on Meesho. To start receiving orders on Meesho, it is advised you upload 5 to 7 high-quality catalogs with at least 3 to 4 products in each catalog. Ensure that you have sufficient inventory for all products at all times. To know more about how to sell on Meesho, watch this video. Processing orders on Meesho is really simple. This is how it is done. 1. You can check all new orders in the Orders section under the Pending tab on your Meesho Supplier panel. 2. Click on Accept Order and start packing the products. 3. Now, simply download the shipping label and paste it on the package. Your order is now ready to be shipped. 4. The shipping partner will visit within a day for pickup and deliver your product safely to the customer. 5. Payment collected via COD or online mode will be credited directly to your bank account. Now, let's go through each step one by one in more detail. Pending tab. All your orders are shown in the Pending tab of the Orders section. Here, you can see the details regarding the order, the expected dispatch time, and a button that will allow you to accept orders. If you have a lot of orders to sort through, you can also use the filters available to sort out orders as per your preference. For instance, you can check Breached to see all the orders whose expected dispatch date has already passed, or you can check Breaching Soon to see which orders have to be dispatched at the earliest. Ensure to dispatch an order before the date mentioned next to Customer Expected Dispatch Date in the order details. This is also mentioned in the Service Legal Agreement (SLA) which you have agreed to while registering as a Meesho supplier. Customer returns an SLA breached order, then you will be charged a reverse shipping fee for the same. You can check the reverse shipping charge for each product in the product details of the in-stock products by clicking here. If you don't want to accept the order, you can cancel it by clicking on Cancel. Meesho automatically cancels an order on the second day from the expected dispatch date for that order. You now have to get the order ready and packed. Also note, if the product received by the customer is not similar to the catalog mentioned on Meesho, then the same catalog will be deactivated from the supplier account. And if more than 60% of your catalogs are deactivated and received a rating lower than 3.5 from the customers, then your account will be deactivated. So, make sure that you pack and ship the right products to your customers. Ready to ship. For each order, there is a label button. Clicking on this button will download the shipping label and invoice, which need to be pasted on the package for tracking purposes. If you download the label before 11 AM, the pickup will be scheduled for the same day. Otherwise, the pickup will be scheduled for the next day. The name of the delivery service assigned to pick up your order will be shown in your order details as soon as you download the label. Once downloaded, print the label and then proceed to paste it on the package. When you are pasting the label, simply fold the customer invoice inside and leave the tracking barcode along with the shipping address of the label visible on top. Make sure to put correct shipping labels on each package. You can also choose to download and pack them one at a time to avoid mismatching of labels. If you mismatch the product label and the product, the customer will return the product and you'll have to face a reverse shipping charge for the return. Additionally, your catalog for which a product mismatch is found will be removed from your account. Remember, contacting a customer directly is strictly prohibited with a charge of Rs 5,000. In case you face an error while downloading the label or the pickup agent doesn't arrive on time, you can raise a ticket on the support panel. You can do this by clicking on Orders and Delivery and then clicking on Label is not getting generated for my order. Once done, go to your Ready to Ship tab and click on the checkbox here to download the order manifest. We encourage you to print 2 copies of the manifest and get them signed by the delivery partner at the time of pickup. Give him a copy and keep the other with you. A signed order manifest is a proof of order pickup. It is for your own record keeping as well as for solving disputes in case of delay in reflecting the latest order updates. When the shipping partner scans and picks up your product for shipping, your order will automatically be moved to the Shipped tab. If it doesn't move, we request you to wait for 4 to 5 hours post the pickup time. You can refresh and check the supplier panel. If the status doesn't change, then you can go to the Support tab on the Admin panel. Go to Orders and Delivery and then click on My order is picked up but still in Ready to Ship tab. You can then raise a ticket there and get our assistance. We advise you to only dispatch orders using our shipping services. If you are found using other shipping services, your account will be suspended for 15 days on the first strike. The second strike will result in a 30-day suspension and a third will result in a permanent ban. Shipped. Your most recent orders that are currently in transit or have been shipped will appear here. Payment collected for your product will reach directly to your account in 7 days from order delivery. You can check all your payment-related updates in the Payment section in your Supplier admin panel. If you think that delivery, return or payment submission are taking longer than usual, then we recommend raising a ticket on the Support tab with the relevant issue and details, and we will resolve your issue at the earliest. RTO – Return to Origin. When delivering the product, the shipping partner tries a maximum of 3 times to reach the customer. If the customer fails to accept the product will be returned back to you at no charge. You can check all your RTO orders in the Return or RTO tab. Cancelled. Orders which are cancelled by the customer or by you will appear here. You can cancel an order by clicking on the Cancel Order button. Returns. If a customer is not satisfied with your product, he can initiate a return within 7 days of receiving the order. Shipping charges are applicable in case of a return. You can check the return shipping charges in your product details. If the customer returns a faulty or wrong product to you, then you can raise a ticket to us within 10 days of receiving the return using the Support tab in the Admin panel. Send us the order ID, reverse AWB number and photos and videos of the returned product. And we will look into the case and refund your amount if your request is proved valid. Remember, always take an unpacking video from all your returned products. If you're unable to produce an unpacking video in case of a faulty return, then we won't be able to process your request. On hold. Sometimes, when the customer's address is not serviceable by the shipping partner, due to unforeseen reasons, your order will show up under this tab. All the orders appearing in this tab are placed only once the customer is notified about a late delivery and has shared a consent for the same. As soon as the buyer's area gets serviceable, orders under this tab are automatically moved to the Pending tab. no deduction is charged to the supplier, as long as the order is under the On Hold tab, no matter how long it takes. If you are still charged an amount, we request you to raise a ticket on the Support tab. Go to Payments and Penalties and then click on I have an issue with a penalty for an order. So that was all about packaging and processing orders on Meesho. For any other assistance or query, you can reach out to us and we'll be here to help you succeed in your journey on Meesho. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel